Uba ALH gubernur MLA jong ke pentor umkra constituency ulong bagi jingwan ra jong sarkar MDA ban Pyntreikam ya ke gaming ak hapo ke Jylla kalong ke umla ban smutu dak baban rap ya ke balong do menteri rangba balada ong ban Pyntreikam ya ke tekaan kan dai tang ke kasino ke ban hap hapo ke tekaan Henry kiwi ki jing penileka gi bakentup kum ke jackpot bat ke Siat tim kin hap hapo ke tekaan bat ladong ba on ailat lanesha iki Trai Jylla begini sim benta kemun ki Trai Jylla ki myo shu ban Siat tim bat hap no ban up ban wan Siat tim ki breu ki banabar.
One thing I fail to understand about the gaming act. Gaming act doesn't mean only casino to me. If you talk about archery, is a gaming act for me. Is a game. If you talk about there's so many games happening in the states. We have this jackpot parlor also. It's happening somewhere in Police Bazaar, somewhere the site. So this is all the gaming act. And he has said, the Honorable Chief Minister, the local will not allowed to play in the game. If not, then archery, tomorrow who will come and play archery here? There's archery counter, and who will go and play the game? If not local, then will we be waiting for the people from outside to come and take the thotim or the tir?
He mentioned in the casino, sir.
No, he said it's only casino.
No.
If it is there, then I agree with you.
Everything.
No. If you are saying from him, if it is gaming act only, then I agree with you. I agree also with the Honorable Chief Minister because it is meant only for casino. But he's talking about the general gaming act. If we talk about the General Gaming Act, means even the archery is included. If it is included, then he said that the local will not allow to play. They are allowed to play. Then who will play the archery in the states?